With the rise of electric vehicles, the tyre industry is evolving fast. Today, we compare two EV-specific tyres, the Michelin e.Primacy and the Falken e.Ziex, to see which one performs best for the modern electric driver. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin e.Primacy set as the reference point at 100%. For EVs, rolling resistance is key to maximize range. Both the Michelin e.Primacy and the Falken e.Ziex boast an EU A label for efficiency. However, the Falken e.Ziex edges out with impressive rolling resistance coefficient value of 5.7, beating Michelin's 5.9. This translates to better energy consumption, with the e.Ziex consuming 13.2 kW per 100 km versus the 13.4 kW per 100 km for the e.Primacy. Wet grip is crucial for safety, and both tyres deliver excellent results. In braking tests, the Michelin e.Primacy stopped just 0.1 meters shorter than the Falken e.Ziex. Wet handling test shows a 0.4 km per hour advantage for Michelin, though aquaplaning results were close. The e.Primacy had a slight edge in overall wet performance. In dry conditions, the Falken e.Ziex takes the lead, stopping 0.6 meters earlier than the Michelin e.Primacy, from 100 to 0 km per hour. Handling tests were tight, but Falken's stiffer crown design helped it maintain better dry stability. When it comes to road noise, both tyres perform equally, with an external noise rating of 71.9 dB, making them the quietest in the segment. No clear winner here. Michelin tyres are known for its premium pricing, and the e.Primacy is 22% more expensive than the Falken e.Ziex. So, which is the better EV tyre? The Michelin e.Primacy excels slightly in wet conditions. On the other hand, the Falken e.Ziex dominates in rolling resistance and dry braking. It's a close match, and the best choice depends on your driving priorities.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.